Hi, I'm James from Finding Country, and you've joined me here today at the beautiful Hunningham Hill Farm, where you've got an abundance of countryside views and this fabulous farmhouse with annex behind. Let's take a look inside. This charming home offers many period features, 5 bedrooms and 4 reception rooms. You've joined me in the amazing grounds of approximately 6 acres of his fabulous home, where the owners have enjoyed a rewilding and conservation project. Beautiful orchard with lots of mature trees and again stunning views out into the beautiful countryside. Again, another benefit of this property is this fabulous workshop studio, which has a kitchen and a bathroom, and you've got these beautiful far-reaching views from the front of the property. You've joined me in the rear garden, where we've got a pond and continuous bird song. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this incredible home. It really is a special place to live. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.